Ever wonder if your dog knows how you feel? It's more than a hunch. Dogs can actually smell your emotions. When you're scared or happy, your body releases chemical signals. These signals are tiny but powerful. Your dog's nose picks them up like a superhero. Research shows dogs can tell the difference between fear and joy in human sweat. They do this with nearly perfect accuracy. So, next time your dog cuddles up, remember, they're not just loyal. They're emotionally in tune with you. For more amazing animal facts, follow Smart Facts News.